in Jordan's flow. He healed the sick, made spirits glow. 12 around him